It's arrived. Okay, let me just quickly have a Tic Tac. Okay. Let's open it. Look at this beautiful zip. Duck figures. Throw this back away. Look how cute. There's ducks. I think they spelled it wrong. It's duck or calico kicking cow. Yes. Figures. Smiley face. This is a first one. Forgot to do the top. I think I'm going to open this one first. So you might not be able to hear me when it was like shaking like this. I was saying they forgot to do the tops, but they've done the rest of the decorating very nice. So to open it. Instructions. Okay, so leave the little bottle for last. So I want me to leave this. These must be tiny ones. And it said on there, the rarest tiny ones are turtles. The second rarest are bunnies. Oh, so I'll show you one by one. So we've got this bee. Mouse. Lizard. Whale. Golden retriever. Crabs. My favourite's the yellow. Starfish. Seal. Fishies. Any more? No. Fishies. Octopus. Swan. Green swan. Cute, cute. Chicken. Bird. And we've got a bunny. Got yeah. Okay, mini elephant, how cute. A very, very cute bunny. And 2 shells. There we go. Then I don't know which one's the eye just yet. See if you can see and see if you can comment down below. This comes in a view. Got the turtles. So I'll show yous. Look at these puppies all nice and safe. So this is the container they come in. They have a little lid as well. So we've got a yellow and pink turtle. Right, I'll take away the yellow and pink ones. Or is that the only yellow and pink one? No, that was the only yellow and pink. We've got this one. The little thing, have you seen the little faces? It's not really focused. My camera's not really focused on it. Got 2 pink ones. Pink ones. There. And we've got one yellow, yes. Got red. Red, pink. You can hear my dad fussing the dog. Listen. Okay, green. Oh, one nearly done. Purple. And last but not least, a little blue one. Oh, fell out my hands. So small, yeah, blue one. Yeah, so they all come in that container. That is so cute. Look. You can see the one in there. Okay. Let's put these all back in. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button and comment down below